Guys, I'm on the golf course in Unity, right? And the Canadian geese have had 4 babies overnight, look. Look, you have to be careful. You go too close to them, right? And they'll attack you. Look at beautiful things. Look how small they are. Look how small they are, guys. Oh, wow. There's so much beauty here. It's unbelievable. Look, guys. Look at the golf course here. Anybody wants a game of golf with me, make sure you're following, and you can come and have a game of golf with me whenever you want, okay? I'm paying. Just follow up, and if you're down this way, come in the office, see me, and if you want a game of golf, you're welcome. Look at them, beautiful, aren't they? So cute. Just play that hole over there. God. So what have we done? Played the wrong hole again? You're kidding me. Hey, see you later, guys. Look at this, guys. I'm down on the 6th hole at Unity Farm, and I'm with the Canadian geese. Your ball's in the stinging nettles, Charlie. Have a free drop. There, look, it's there. Look, guys, the Canadian geese have had their babies. They're very protective. Look how small they are, Charlie. 2 days ago, or yesterday. Look at it. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look, he's on my ball. Look, your 4 babies. Down in Unity Golf Club. Wow, look at that. Mummy, Daddy and his 4 babies. Down at Unity Beach. Wow. Love it. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at that. Hey, what a super day down here at Unity Beach Golf Club. Yeah, come and have a look. Come and have a look at the view. Look at it. Fly over, green down, Western-super-Mare. Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at it. The swan, Johnny. Flying. You never see swans flying. I've never seen a swan flying, have you? It's like an EasyJet plane taking off. What do you think?
Probably those lovely children.
Down here on the 18th. Looking over the lodges. What a gorgeous day. And we're going to sample a pint of beer, Charlie. What do you think? Come down to Unity, guys. Come and see us. And if you want to come for a game of golf, come and see me. See you later, guys.